Hey guys, this is the thing about applying for jobs. When you apply for jobs, okay, don't be down on yourself because now you're applying for a 9 to 5 job. Okay, because the thing is that in life, you have to work in order to gain things. Okay, you have to work for what you have, you have to work for a better mindset, you have to work for free, you have to work anyway. So you have to realize that you have to make up your life and you have to get to the stage in your life that you feel very confident in who you are. You have to feel much better about yourself, that you're moving forward, that you're not going backwards, and that you're loving your life. So, applying for jobs is one of the ways that you can go and get some skills for yourself and get some credibility and also communication, and make sure that you can boost your communication skills as well at the 9 to 5 job. But also, you can be social with people and you can work as a team. You can work as a team with people based on doing certain tasks with different people. And basically, with this, for example, you can help clients, you can help people one on one, you can give them life skills, you can give them training sessions or whatever it is, and you can help yourself to develop a better world through the 9 to 5 work. Okay. That's why you're a worker, okay? You must be a worker and you must work for a living, okay? You must work for a living and you must get to the stage in your life where you feel very confident in who you are. You're self-developed, you're making sure that you're much more socially skilled, you're better in your techniques, you're better in your vocabulary, you're better in who you are, okay? So every single day you're always focusing on a better life, you're focusing on helping yourself to grow and to enjoy life and to do something around your business, something that you're keen to do. Because when you're social with people, then you can actually gain a life. You can gain money from it, you can gain things from it, you can gain not just money, but experiences with people. You can make sure that you do better in life, for example, and you can just focus on yourself and your life and your growth. Now, since so that's the thing about life. When you're growing yourself, when you're looking to become your best version, when you're looking to become something even more, make sure you work a 9 to 5 job or go and do something around 9 to 5 work so that you can accelerate your business, so you can accelerate your life, and so that you can build something on the side as well after a 9 to 5 and build a hobby and make sure that you're earning a living and also working and building a business on the side. Now, saying that's what you need to focus on all day long. Focus on your business, focus on what you do, focus on growing your business, focus on growing yourself. Make sure you're moving forward in your life. Make sure you're doing things in your life that's going to help protect you, that's going to give you privacy, and that's going to help you to become a better person in the process. That's what you need to do every single day of your life. So just focus on helping yourself to grow as much as you can, giving ideas, giving solutions, giving something so that you're growing as a person and so that you're doing a better world of opinion for yourself, in terms of your having more opinion for yourself. You have more opinions, for example, you have more perspectives, you have more information, you have more of what you need in the world. And you have to understand that when you do this, make sure you also stay away from gratification. Make sure that you are disciplined, making sure that you're moving forward in your life and focusing on your business and every single day growing as much as possible.